Topics for this session: retail banking, functions of retail banking, types of retail banks, services by retail banks, recent trends in retail banks, social marketing, features of social marketing. Retail banking. The word suggests it's a commercial banking. As the name suggests, it is a part of commercial banking system associated with general public and individual customers. Retail banking system aim to provide banking services like checking out accounts, opening accounts, savings accounts, loans, debit cards, and more to the citizens. For most of the people, banks are simply a reference to retail banking services like savings, transactions, mortgages, debit cards, credit cards, and more. In India, this may not be a new phenomenon, but changes in customer demographics and technological growth have made this as an integral part of day-to-day functioning. Coming to functions of retail banking, there are certain functions which are focusing towards the retail banking from time to time to a component banking system. I can say it is a deposit money for savings accounts, credit in terms. Such things are being focused in the functions of retail banking. Let us see this slide. While retail banking in different forms have existed for a long time, it is a relatively new concept. Over the period of time, it has emerged an important component of traditional and modern banking systems. And an important market segment. In simple terms, retail banking takes care of all banking needs of an individual customers, such as offer to deposit money for saving accounts, offers credit in terms of interest, assist consumers in handling their money. Next, coming to types of retail banks. There are certain types of retail banks which are offering services to general public, such as commercial banks, regional rural banks, private banks, and post offices. And one more thing I can say, commonly large commercial banks have local branches to meet various objectives of retail banking are being defined in this slide. Next, coming to the slide, commercial banks. What are commercial banks? In these commercial banks, we can invest a sort of thing, financial institutions. I can say that it helps the clients through various banking services like personal banking, business banking, online banking, financial services, and lending and borrowing concepts. Next, coming to regional rural banks. This focuses as Grameen banks, which are focused towards the rural areas and people residing in regional areas. These banks offer regular retail banking services and also include loans and mortgages. Next, coming to private banks. These banks are usually situated in urban areas and cater to moderate to high level income groups. Next, coming to post offices. In regions where people do have access regular banks and national postal system, there are certain accounts which are also maintained by the post offices, such as banking services like account openings, savings, recurring deposits, and more for developing countries. This is a convenient and secure mode of banking in areas where underdeveloped sections of society cannot reach the bank. Next, coming to retail banking services offered by banks. The advent of banking technology has seen a dramatic transformation in the functioning and operations of retail banking in India. There are various retail banking services provided by the banks, include a range of financial products that are based on retail deposits such as loans, services and payment services. Following are few retail banking solutions and services offered by banks to its consumers. It's coming to savings banks account. This type of bank account that customers can operate at a bank providing retail banking services to deposit money and obtain interest on it. Current account. Some other terms used to refer to this type of bank account at a retail bank are checking account, transaction account, and demand deposit account. Debit card. It is a plastic payment card that is used instead of cash to make payments at ATMs and other places. Most of the banks provide this card for each current or savings account. Credit card. Just like debit card, this is a plastic card to make payments instead of cash. ATM cards. These cards are restricted to withdraw and do other transactions at ATM. Coming to recent trends in retail banking. First one is multi-channel distribution. I can say multi-channel distributions are such as involves the delivery of services to the consumers with different aspects such as ATMs, telephone, internet, etc. Coming to call centers. These are another mode of services which are being provided towards the customers by maintaining customer transactions or interactions. It's coming to technology. The public and private or tech saver technology lies between the cutting among banks and for the real product differentiation by focusing on technological innovation by penetrating into the new areas of cross-selling their products through various channels. I mean to say that the technology is also going to adopt in banking system in a rapid way, which is going to be benefited or which is going to be very useful for the customers to have their own sort of in transactional part. Rural exposure. Rural areas of India need to provide infrastructural assistance for retail banking. The recommendations of Narsimham Committee of 1991 have shown a drastic change in the banking sector. Thus, the retail banking provides various diversification and growth opportunities to the foreign players, allowing them to enter banking sector. Next, coming to the topic social marketing. It's a societal concept and techniques to achieve specific behavior goals of social good. For example, this may include asking people not to smoke in public areas, asking them to use seat belts, or promoting to make them follow speed limits, such as societal aspects. Next, coming to features of social marketing, behavioral focus. In social marketing, marketer emphasizes not only on the changing behavior of target audience, but also on the ability to retain positive behavior over a period of time. I mean to say that marketing or market has focused towards the consumer, that is target audience. Customer orientation, like other types of marketing, long-term planning, because changing the planning programs in social marketing requires huge times and require full cooperation between the organization and the target customers. Next, coming to notion of exchange. In social marketing, exchange denotes the understanding and offering valuable benefits to the target adopters. Competition. The offers created by the change agent for target adopters must be very competitive to competitors. Marketing mix. It's one of the point where restricted to promotion only. but the options has changed by transforming. Earlier social marketing was restricted to promotion only. Thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel, Dr. C.S. Jayanti Prasad. In further classes, we may look forward some more topics on retail management. Thank you.